one of the things about my job, one of the parts and pieces of it is buying media, advertising, and holy crap, I do not like to negotiate at all. At all. I do not enjoy it. I pretended that I did for a long time, but I do not at all. I'm just like, how much is it? Just whatever you want. Just so I don't have to talk to you, please. These women in New York, these saleswomen, these reps for the magazines like Condé Nast, scary. Scary. They are scary, scary ladies. They are very aggressive. I've completely lost my edge living in Nashville. I mean, I hide under, I mean, they're trying to sell it to me, but I'm like hiding under my desk because just their voices alone make my blood curdle. It hurts. It's so scary. And I mean, it's not like, Southern sales reps have a whole other thing going on, but it's just more palatable for me because like these women from New York. Hi, Amanda. This is Janessa Silverberg calling. How are you today? I'm like, oh my god, I get so scared.